Okay, I'm just going to drag this in a little bit to tidy that up. There we go. What I'm going to do now is work out the cost of making a set of cakes. So for example, to work out the cost of making 6 cakes, I need 1 packet of mix, and 1 packet of mix is going to need 70 grams of butter and 1 egg. However, I've got 500 grams of butter and 6 eggs available if I've purchased them that way. So I need to sort of work out how many eggs I will need for my recipe and how much butter I will need for my recipe. And I'm going to do some strange maths, which is very much in computer science. You won't have seen it in maths, you will see it in IT when you're dealing with spreadsheets. So let me go over what we're trying to do here. So if I've got 1 packet of mix, I'm going to need 1 box of eggs. Let me put box in there just to make sure. Box of eggs. If I've got 2 packets, I'm still only going to need 1 box of eggs because I've got 6 eggs in a box, but I need 1 egg each time I use a packet. So again, I only need 1 box there. And the same goes if I buy 3 packets, I still only need 1 box of eggs because I've got 6, for 4, for 5, and for 6. So I can buy 6 packets of cake mix for every box of eggs that I use. However, when I try to make or buy 7 packets of cake mix, I've actually got to buy more eggs. I've got to buy more boxes of eggs, so I would need 2 there, and that would continue again in that direction. So I'm trying to do a little bit of maths to reproduce this pattern here. Now it's quite difficult. I will go through it in the next video. If you don't want to know how this works, then you can move on a couple of videos. It's not an issue. But you do need to bear in mind what we're trying to do here. So I'm trying to work out how many boxes of eggs I need and how much butter, how many tubs of butter I also need to buy for the amount of packets that I've got. So I'll deal with that calculation in the next video because it is quite difficult to get your head round, but it's quite useful as well. I prefer a calculation because I only need to change numbers in these yellow cells and everything changes, whereas if you actually type them into here, then you may have to do some big changes to your program to make it work. So we'll see this in the next video.